In this video, we're going to look at how we installed a Hearthstone Heritage wood stove. We picked it up in Vermont. They loaded it right on our trailer with their forklift, so this is how it came. And we decided the best way to get it to the house was to drag it around to the front of the house on the trailer, and then line up the trailer with the front door, set up some ramps, and wheel it into the house. To get the stove onto a furniture dolly, we used a floor jack and just slowly raised each side, bringing it up on wood blocks until it was high enough to slide the dolly under. There was a slight incline into the house, so we set up a come-along to help pull it in. That way we could focus on just maneuvering it and just know that we have like a safety brake on it, essentially, to prevent it from rolling backwards. Also here, you can see we're using the floor jack to lift the front end to get it over the lip onto the boards.
I can't see, so okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Everything's awesome. We should move the roads. There we go. We're in. Easy. Good work.
Next up, we had to disassemble the pallet, get that completely off. It was too wide to fit through the door.
Levitating stove. Okay. Sweet. Oh, much easier than how we were going to do it? Yep. Alright, now we'll lower it onto the dolly. So do we want to just go down 2 on this one since everybody's down to 1?
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah,
I think we're coming on the pallet now. Or the dolly. Oh. Well, I guess so. Yeah.
Yeah, it's loose.
Yep. We can move. Oh, we can move. Well, yeah, we can move. So good position. I thought that we had determined that before. We have wheels. Crunching noise. I think it just rolled off of that board. Aren't wheels an amazing invention? I think we have such a wide assortment of wood. Does that seem good? I can't. Yeah, I think so. I'll try. Yeah.
Once again, to get over any lips, we just had to raise the front end with the jack, and then we could kind of pull it over that lip.
Okay, so now are we gonna? Now we're on the sill. Okay, keep going. There you go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna jack it up. Front now on the jack, and then I'm gonna stand on these boards. You're gonna push and pull, and we are snaking this. Hold on. And see if I can roll to the back of it. I don't know what's gonna happen, honestly. Am I pushing? Yep. Yeah. Just there you go. I think now if you come down slowly while I'm pulling. Okay. There we go. Now put your board. Oh, well, I pulled too hard. Alright. Alright, we're in the living establishment. We need more of these boards. Are we gonna travel all the way to the... Well, I was hoping that there would be some pivoting possible. Never mind, I fixed it. That's your brute Mickey strength. Alright, so now roll along merrily. Now it's figured out there. So first we gotta rotate it. Alright, so I can't see, so let me know. Yep, pulling. You're gonna don't fall off the back. That's where the jack stops. Okay, so we just got it on the wheels are on. Yeah. Okay. So then we roll it to the pad and do the same thing. Good. Roll. And we're on. Perfect. So basically it's rolling it off of the jack. Yeah, I'm wondering if we should use like two short boards. Right? So like yeah, so if you just let it down on that, we probably just slide it up. Yep, I think that works. Okay. But you want to hold it so it doesn't roll all the way off those boards. You see what I mean? So prevent it from going that way as much as you can. Okay. You good? Yep. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna take some measurements in the basement. Okay. Just one. Just gonna have to get it out. Just go off. Unless we're not high enough on one side. It's just catching a little. It's okay. Now we're gonna go to the back and get the other side. Oh, that came down a lot harder than I meant to. Really fast. Okay. Alright. Stow this, lay this.
Following the instructions that came with the stove, we did our first break-in fire, and everything seemed to go pretty well. If you're curious, there's another video that came before this one that shows how we installed the stainless steel chimney liner for this stove, so check the description for a link for that.